Hey guys, before you hit the road today and drive in the snow, please go into your auto insurance's policy or call your agent and make sure that you have an uninsured motorist coverage. This is a coverage that protects you in the event that someone else causes an accident and they either don't have an active policy or don't have enough coverage to protect you. So please do that before you head out. Drive safe, stay warm, and if you are involved in a car accident, please give us a call at 706-459-9456.